Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial, I'll provide you with help to get rid of the new adware called PlatformIndex. PlatformIndex is a new adware that may suddenly attack Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. This PlatformIndex adware is from the adload family, and it targets Mac computers these days. PlatformIndex adware, once installed, starts to show its really junk advertisements randomly. It also may redirect your browser to a lot of shady and really dangerous sites in the internet. So, if it was found on your computer somehow, you definitely need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware from your computer. So right click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the site combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.